Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two game-changing drones, the DJI Flip and the HoverAir X1 Pro Max. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, this comparison will give you all the details to decide which drone is the right fit for you. So, buckle up as we explore everything from design and performance to pricing and unique features. Let's start with how these drones look and feel. The DJI Flip is compact and stylish, designed with portability in mind. Its foldable arms make it easy to carry around, slipping effortlessly into your backpack or even a larger pocket. It's lightweight but feels sturdy, striking a balance between durability and convenience. The HoverAir X1 Pro Max is slightly smaller and lighter, weighing just 192 grams. Its slim and foldable design makes it even more portable than the DJI Flip. It's the kind of drone you can toss into your pocket without a second thought, perfect for on-the-go filming. Camera performance is a deal-breaker for most drone enthusiasts, so let's compare. DJI has always delivered excellent camera tech, and the Flip is no exception. It's equipped with a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures 4K video at 60 frames per second. The footage is crisp and the colors are vibrant, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. The X1 Pro Max also equipped with a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor. It captures 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. This means better low-light performance and ultra-smooth slow-motion capabilities. Let's talk about how these drones perform in the air. The DJI Flip offers up to 20 minutes of flight time, which is impressive for its category. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system ensures smooth flying even in challenging environments. The Flip can hit speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. The HoverAir X1 Pro Max comes with a flight time of 16 minutes per charge. While that's slightly shorter, it compensates with a top speed of 26 miles per hour and burst speeds up to 37 miles per hour. The advanced sensor fusion technology ensures precise positioning, even over water or snowy terrains. What about the bells and whistles? The Flip is all about ease of use, featuring intuitive controls and multiple shooting modes. You get options like quick shots, where the drone autonomously performs cinematic maneuvers. The DJI Fly app is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to get started. The X1 Pro Max shines with its unique beacon controller. This little gadget not only extends the drone's range to 1 kilometer, but also includes a 1.78-inch OLED display for real-time monitoring. It supports voice commands and even records audio with advanced noise reduction, a feature the DJI Flip lacks. Finally, let's talk dollars. DJI drones are known for their premium pricing, and the Flip is no different. It'll cost you around $750, which is a fair price considering its features and performance. The X1 Pro Max is priced slightly lower at about $699. For the additional features like 8K video and the beacon controller, this drone offers excellent value for money. Both drones are fantastic in their own right, but the choice ultimately comes down to your priorities. If you value longer flight times, obstacle avoidance, and an easy-to-use app interface, the DJI Flip might be the better fit for you. On the other hand, if you're after superior video quality, portability, and cutting-edge features like the beacon controller, the HoverAir X1 Pro Max is a stellar choice. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth comparisons. See you in the next one.